Hello, this is Mr. Collier, and today we're going to do quadratic regression on our TI84 calculators. So we have from class, we have a list of data values for the length of a rectangle and the area of the rectangles. And I've got that already entered into the calculator under Stat, Edit. I've got the widths and the areas already typed in here, so you need to do this first. And then we're going to go to stat plot, which is in blue here, so we need to type in second function stat plot. And right now it's turned off, so we need to press enter and turn it on. Okay, in the second diagram we see is plotting a bunch of dots. This is what we want. And the X list is L1 and L2, so this is also what we want. We want L1 and L2, which is where our data is. So that's all good now. So we're going to zoom, and I'm going to click 9 for statistics. If you scroll down, you'll see Z statistics, that's zoom statistics. So I'm just going to press 9 here, and there are my points. And what we're going to do now is we're going to try to get the calculator to draw a parabola through these points, which is called quadratic regression. So what we need to do is we need to go to Stat and go over to Calc. And down here we have linear regression, and then we have quadratic regressions, which is what we want. So I'm going to press 5 here for quadratic regression. And we need to tell the calculator what to do the quadratic regression on. So we're going to put in second function L1 down here at 1, comma, second function, and then L2. So that's going to do the quadratic regression for us. And then we press enter. And it gives us the equation of the parabola through those points. So we have the A, B, and C values here, which are big, long, nasty decimals. We don't want to actually have to write that down and then type it into y equals. So here's what you can do to get this to automatically go into y equals. We'll go to second function entry. So I've got the same thing as before. Another comma. And if I put y1 here, that will tell the calculator to put that equation into y1. So what I'm going to do is go to alpha and trace, and we'll get our y variables here. So I want y1. So click enter, and that will, and I'll press enter again, and there's the quadratic regression equation. And if I go to y equals, the equation is already in there. So if I graph, there you go. There's the quadratic regression line. And if you want to write down the equation, you can go in here and just copy it down, or click second function entry and press enter again, and there's your quadratic regression line.